Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen where I'm gonna cook venison, also known as deer meat. Here I got a beautiful piece of backstrap venison. This is about 200 grams. First I'm making a rub for this nice venison. Salt, black pepper, pimenton, that is the smoked paprika, and this is the picante, so that is the quite spicy version, plus rosemary. Rosemary goes very well with venison. Then I make sure I get every side of the venison steak covered with my rub, and just a little bit of olive oil. In a hot grill pan I'm gonna grill this venison steak for about 1 minute per side, so 2 minutes altogether. I'm just gonna let this venison steak rest for a couple of minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna put some vegetables in the grill pan. I prepared some red vegetables, red paprika, red onion, and hot chili peppers. All in there at one time, just getting grilled. You don't need no sauce in there, you just wait for the peppers and the onion to be ready from the grill pan. Must be ready. Time to build a plate. So I got my red vegetables, red onion, red paprika, plus red chillies, plus my beautiful grilled venison steak on top. enjoy my venison. I just seared it on the outside. On the inside it's still raw, medium, rare, kind of like. That's how I like it. With the red onion, red peppers, chilies, plus the paprika. Seared on the outside, it stays rare on the inside. Beautiful raw flavors of the venison deer, together with some wine. This is Montepulciano d'Abruzzo from the heart of Italy. Now this is a very decent fruity yet a little spicy wine. Goes very well with venison meat. That red bell pepper goes very well with that venison. And so does the red onion. By the way, I'm eating brown bread with this. I simply love those red chilies. Venison, red onion and red paprika all in one bite. Now this is good. Love this stuff. One more bite of this and some more. Thank you for watching this video. I see you next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.